Welcome to your quick friendly guide on tagging someone on your Facebook cover photo. If you're looking to give a shout out or just share the moment with friends, tagging works a little differently from tagging in posts, but it's straightforward once you know where to tap. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so everything loads smoothly. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen. This takes you to your personal timeline where all your updates live. Next, locate your cover photo and tap on it to open a larger view. You'll see options beneath or around the image, depending on your device. Tap See Cover Photo to view it in full size. This gives you a better canvas to work with for tagging and viewing details. On the top right corner of the cover photo, you'll spot 3 dots in a small menu. Tap those 3 dots to reveal more actions you can take with your cover image. From the list that appears, choose Tag Photo. This is where you'll be able to bring your friends into the moment by adding their names to the cover itself. Now it's time to select the friends you want to tag. Scroll through your list or start typing a friend's name to quickly find them. Tap the names of the people you want to tag. As you select, you'll see their names appear on the cover photo itself. When you've tagged everyone you want, confirm your choices. This saves the tags and makes them visible on the cover photo. A quick tip: if you're unsure about who to tag, you can limit tags to people you're connected with or who have recently interacted with you. Also, keep in mind, tagging a cover photo might behave slightly differently across updates or devices, so if something doesn't look right, refreshing the page or updating the app can help. And that's it, your cover photo now includes tags that highlight your friends in a single shared moment. This feature is perfect for birthdays, reunions, or just celebrating your crew. Thanks for watching.